Hi there, it's Working Girl here, and today I have a special video for you. I have a treat in this box right here, and I don't know if you can read it or not, but inside this box is some delicious, now I'm talking delicious biscuits, or at least I hope they're delicious. I have not tried them yet. This is the box I just got from them. They just started this. It's on their Instagram, and they're called Biscuit Counter, and you can follow them on their Instagram if you want. Oh, cool. And on the back, it has a little thing about how to reheat them in the oven or in a toaster oven. And if you want to freeze them, it sounds like they freeze pretty good. So I don't think I can eat all these, so I definitely will be freezing some of those. But check it out. They follow them on Instagram because that's where I have been getting like all the info. But that's where you can see what specials they're doing. But it's at the Cole Hotel in Palm Springs. Check it out. But let's get into this box. I love how cute and wrapped up it is. Don't you like that? That's fancy. It's just something a little extra, right? It's just something that they did that, and I think I just made it a knot. Oh great, now I'm gonna have to just really gnaw on this. Hold on. There it is. Beautiful. Don't use your teeth. Listen, you're classy. And yes, I'm definitely keeping this string, and I will never throw it away. So, thanks for asking. Let's see what we've got going on in here. So, okay. Wow, look at that. I'm already obsessed. It smells like I'm a chef, I guess. This is, Okay, it looks like we have two flavors in here today. So it looks like we'll be taste testing two different flavors. And definitely I can't eat all these. So some of these will go in the freezer. I'm pretty sure. And I will post, it doesn't say on here, does it? What kind each one is. I think we have just a regular, this is your traditional, biscuit, beautiful. And then there's the other one, I think these are all the same. I want to touch them all. I'll get this big one, or no, this one. Gotta get the prettiest one, right, for you. Look at that. It's got some cheese on top. That looks more like what I would think of like a Red Lobster biscuit or like a Cheddar Bay biscuit if, eat that with some soup. And yes, I am not a rookie. I brought along something vital for taste testing biscuits. You guessed it. So that's a little extra scoop up for you. I put that in there for you, so I'll use them. Don't worry. So let's try these bad boys. I'm gonna try the regular first, and I feel like I need to do like an air fryer moment with this, but I'm just gonna do the taste test, and then maybe I'll do a follow-up. We'll see. And of course, a little butter. Oh, it's really good. They're not greasy, but they're heavy. They got some density, but they're light. So Mm. This is the perfect biscuit for if you make your own breakfast sandwiches. Hello. I feel like taking some bacon, making an egg sandwich with this, sausage, you know, whatever, veggie. Here, I'm gonna do a little, hold on, a little creation for you. See, there you go. Little bacon action. That's good. Where my little napkin go? I threw it away. Who knows? Oh. That's good. You could eat that with anything. Jam, jelly. That is I don't know if y'all know this, but I'm from the South. One thing they have in the South is really good biscuits. So, this one checks out. Original, the traditional classic. That's delicious. We have one more. We have this one. And this is more of like a Red Lobster style-esque biscuit. Cheddar Bay biscuit, whatever you want to call it. I'm sure there's some other name for it. This one, I'm just gonna bite into this and go for it. There's some cheese on the top too. We're just gonna see them. We're just gonna see. There's like peppers in here. Looks like, I don't know if it's jalapenos or bell peppers or some sort of pepper. Red peppers. There's corn in here. There's cheese on top. This would be really, really good with some chili or some soup. Just plop one of these on a bowl of chili. Just drop that right there. And I bet if you froze it and then, you know, just popped one out of the freezer or made some chili, popped it out, it could maybe warm up. Probably maybe toast it. I don't know. Warm it up before you eat it. That's the main thing. But that would be really good with that. These are really good. It's got some cheese in it too. These are delicious. Okay. So, this pack they're doing on Wednesdays, or at least this type of pack, what you get inside rotates, and I'm assuming you probably get a traditional and then some specialty for that week. So let's just double check. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the cheddar biscuits, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the traditional. So that's a baker's dozen. A little extra one in there. I love it. And then, like I said, I can't eat all these today. I would not. I should not. I could. I shouldn't. But I feel like these would freeze really well. Maybe put them in some wrap. Maybe wrap them up so it's airtight. And then freeze them and then just heat them up. Put them in the air fryer. But Biscuit Counter in Palm Springs. If you are in the Palm Springs area, check them out. Wednesdays is when they have the biscuit drops. The biscuit drop. And then they also do weekend, and I think they actually do weekday stuff now. So check out their website and then follow them. Biscuit and Counter. Biscuit and Counter. Thanks, guys. Have fun and enjoy.